Hello, my name's Dr. Anna Hemming. I'm the founder and medical director of Thames Skin Clinic here in the heart of Twickenham. We're a skin clinic located between St Margaret's and Twickenham Station, and I founded this particular clinic in 2019. The reason that I wanted to get in touch with you is because over the last year I have wanted to personally pop in to see you in your surgeries. However, for obvious reasons, this hasn't been possible. So I thought that by sending a video, we could tell you a little bit about what we do and how we can help your patients. So first, a little bit about myself. I'm a fully qualified doctor, fully qualified GP, and I've been working in the local area for over 15 years. In the past, I've done a lot of acute medicine. I used to be in the army, and I was an anaesthetist for a number of years. In 2008, I moved up to London. I became a GP. I worked at Buckingham Palace for 7 years and then started to work more locally in the Richmond, Barnes area. Many of you may have met me, and you will also potentially know that during the same period of time, I started running my own skin clinic. So I've been working within skin and skincare, dermatology conditions since 2008. As that part of my work grew and I became an international speaker, working in conferences, working with some of the very large aesthetic brands, skincare brands, and laser groups, I started to reduce my general practice commitment, and after the birth of my daughter 3 years ago, I actually didn't come back to general practice but started to work on building my own clinic. In the last couple of years, I have developed Thames Skin Clinic, and we now have a wonderful CQC registered, fully functioning clinic here in the heart of Twickenham where I see all of my patients. I no longer work as an NHS GP, but as I mentioned, I have a background in general practice as well as emergency medicine. So what do we do here at Thames Skin Clinic? Well, our role is to help patients with their skin concerns, whether those are dry skin concerns, acne, rosacea, pigmentation, or if they're worried about moles and skin lesions. We can also help with anti-aging and help people progress through the years and try to minimise the effects of the environment on the skin. We have a large variety of treatments on offer, and I run a team of therapists who are able to provide the best laser treatments in order to treat redness, rosacea and thread veins on the skin. We can also treat pigmentation, and we have one of the advanced laser hair removal treatments here in clinic too. The lasers that I've chosen to put into clinic are medical lasers. They operate on dedicated bands of light which pick out the pigmentation or redness or lesions that we want to remove from the skin. They are not totally ablative, which means that we minimise the amount of downtime. We also treat moles with lasers, or we can do minor operations or use a plasma treatment, which is an arc of energy which actually sublimates the skin, turning that area of pigmentation or small non-suspicious mole into a gas. The other things that we do here, so I look after a lot of people's skin using professional skincare products. These are products that penetrate the skin and get into the layers where we want to actually change, rejuvenate, keratinocytes or minimise oil production. When we're looking at our patients, we always have what their best interests are at heart. And this basically means that we're patient-centred. We have fantastic reviews. I believe we have something like 60 or maybe even 80 reviews on Google, more on Trustpilot. We're also one of the most recognised clinics on a group called Save Face. And I personally was in the last 12 finalists for the Aesthetic Practitioner of the Year this year, which was a huge honour. Still can't quite believe that. So what I've done recently is also to invest in some medical treatments which will remove fat and enable muscle contractions and muscle activity. So these are our new body contouring treatments which we've put into clinic, which are fantastic at helping rehabilitation from sports injuries right the way through to trying to develop core muscles in people who find it difficult to strengthen those. They can also help to body sculpt too. I offer a full selection of injectable treatments for anti-aging. I treat migraines, I treat hyperhidrosis, and I have a clinic for the removal of unwanted dermal filler, which we find more and more so happening nowadays. If you would like to find out more about our clinic, please take a look at the clinic tour that I've prepared for you. And we can also show you a lot more information on our website, which is www.thameskin.co.uk. The website has a bot on it for inquiries and also a contact form. But we are also on the end of the phone, so if you want to call us, give us a ring. The number is 0208 150 3400 or email us info@thameskin.co.uk. Well, it has been really lovely to be able to share this with you. I really hope that we can meet in person at some point soon, and I just want to wish you all the very best. Take care.